So this is how you actually start doing the bead pets. So we're making a bead puppy. Good job. Okay, now we take the other side.
And we put them in the...
And we're going to put them in here.
All of them?
Yeah, on the floor.
Okay, keep videotaping.
I'm going to videotape you, yeah.
Until I finish this?
Yeah. Wait. Let me help you here 1 second. Go ahead. You turn it around like this, and now you're going to put it inside each of the other beads to cross them.
I could do it by 4 beads, 3 or 2 or 1,
Yeah.
but you have to do it by 1.
One by one. Yeah, it's better 1 by 1 so you don't miss any beads. Good job. And now you're just going to pull both sides like that. Nice and tight. Good job.
I'm potted now.
Yeah, very good.
And it's finished.
It's finished.
Bye.